Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah kembali berjumpa dengan Bilotup News. Ya, sahabat sekalian, masih ingatkah kita ya beberapa waktu yang lalu sekitar awal tahun 2024 ya di Amerika Serikat ini luar biasa, ada seorang pemuda remaja yang masih berumur 14 tahun datang ke masjid. Bukan cuma datang ke masjid saja yang membuat heboh, dirinya viral karena datang ke masjid itu dengan cara jalan kaki sebanyak 35.000 langkah menuju masjid ya. Ketika itu dia datang ke masjid Muslim Community Center East Bay di California, Amerika Serikat. Dan lihat alasannya kenapa dia memeluk Islam di usia yang masih muda, ketika itu 14 tahun. Ketika ditanya oleh imam apa alasan kenapa dia memeluk Islam,
his young brother, how are you doing? Want to tell him how far you came from and where you came from?
So Livermore. I came from Livermore.
Did you walk?
Yeah, I did walk. It was a 3-hour walk.
You walk?
Yeah.
Really walk?
Yeah.
MashaAllah, takbir.
Allah.
The youngster walked 3 hours. How old are you?
I'm 14.
14? Okay, why'd you walk?
Hasana.
Hasanat? How much hasanat?
It's about 35,000.
35,000 steps?
35,000 steps.
So you counted your steps?
Yeah.
Get the hasanat?
Yeah.
MashaAllah. And how did you hear about the program?
Online. I found it online, yeah.
And when did you revert?
March 19th, 2023.
Allahu Akbar. So already 1 year ago.
Yeah.
Give him a round of applause. Habibi. One sec. If you don't mind sharing, just within a short time, how and why did you revert?
Because I believe Islam is the only religion left in this world, because every other religion has lost its value.
How so?
So in Christianity, there's 45,000, 50,000 denominations maybe. And in Christianity, there is so many different contradictions. You can't even count them. For example, when I was young, maybe 9, 10 or so, I was always taught Jesus is God. Wa'udhu billah. But even when I was that young, I knew Jesus was not God. Just something in me told me that Jesus was not God. I knew he was still important, but there was something inside of me that just was different. I was always drawn to Islam, even from a young age. I was researching it. It took me maybe not too long to understand it was the truth. So in 3 days before Ramadan, I went to the masjid, took my shahada.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Thank you.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Takbir.
nah itu ketika dia diminta untuk testimoni ya, kenapa dia memutuskan memeluk Islam. Sebenarnya dia memeluk Islam itu sudah di tahun sebelumnya, di tahun 2023 itu saat dia di tahun 2024 ada kajian Ramadan, dia diminta untuk testimoni. Nah kemarin 4 hari yang lalu dia datang lagi dengan tampilan yang berbeda, saudara ya. Masya Allah ya, ini luar biasa dengan pengetahuan keislamannya dan pengetahuan kekristenan yang dia miliki ya. Dia mencari membandingkan agama atau mencari Islam itu sejak berumur 13 tahunan, dan dia sudah berpikir kritis tentang agama ya itu sejak dia berumur 9 tahun. Luar biasa. Dan inilah dia 4 hari yang lalu saat bulan Ramadan dia datang ke tempat yang sama ketika sesi kajian ya, majelis ilmu dengan tampilan yang lebih modern, dengan memakai jas dan dasi, dengan tampilan rambut yang sedikit lebih panjang. Dia menceritakan kembali apa alasannya dia memeluk Islam, dan sepertinya beliau lebih lebih menguasai lagi, lebih memperdalam lagi ajaran Islam. Sepertinya beliau ini akan menjadi orang hebat di suatu saat nanti.
Thank you. Well, alhamdulillah, thank you for the opportunity for letting me speak here.
Sure.
So alhamdulillah, it was not actually 2024, it was 2023. So in about 2 months, it'll be 2 years, alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. So I used to live in Pleasanton. I used to live in Pleasanton, but then managed to move to Livermore about a few years ago. So I didn't know too much about Islam at first, but alhamdulillah, I had some friends, I had some books. I was curious because I was born Catholic. I was born in Italy originally, and I still have Italian family. So I never really looked too much into religion until maybe I was 11 or 12 or so. That's when I started questioning everything. I started looking at the books, I read the Bible, I was reading the Quran, but the Quran, it's the topic of this event. That's what really stuck out to me. So I started reading it. Alhamdulillah, I managed to finish it. I never had a single doubt after that. To me, it was clear. I had no doubts after that, and in March of 2023, I went to the Livermore Masjid, took my shahada, and after that, I've been going here quite a bit. Thank you.
May Allah bless him, and please make dua for him. He's inshallah one day he'll be a great scholar, because he's serious about the deen, and he is learning, and he's sincere. And if a person is walking from Livermore, how long did it take you? 3 hours?
3 hours, yeah, I walked
3
here
hours.
as well, 3 hours.
Yeah, 3 hours he walked here. So even tonight?
Yeah, tonight.
Okay, even tonight he walked 3 hours to get here to the majlis. So alhamdulillah, may Allah give us himma like that. It's high himma. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, so my son was watching, so if I can say a few words in
Sure, yeah,
Italian.
go ahead. Yeah, yeah.
Inilah kesaksian saudara Ibrahim ya, namanya adalah Ibrahim Alessandro Ibrahim Napoli namanya, ada keturunan Italinya, Masya Allah. 2 tahun sudah dia memeluk agama Islam, dari tahun 2023, 2024 dia datang ke masjid kesaksian, sekarang datang lagi ke tempat yang sama dengan tampilan yang berbeda, dan sepertinya dia tambah yakin dengan apa yang dia putuskan ya. Dia bukan sembarangan ya, memeluk agama Islam dengan mempelajari lebih dalam ya. Pertama karena timbul pertanyaan-pertanyaan kritis, keraguan di dalam agamanya. Di umur 9 tahun kemudian dia mencari, membandingkan agama Kristen dan Islam dengan membaca Bible dan Quran. Tepat di usia 14 tahun dia memutuskan, mantap ya, seperti sudah menemukan sesuatu yang luar biasa, mengetahui secara detail. Bahkan dia menyebutkan di awal tadi denominasi di dalam kekristenan dan lain sebagainya, luar biasa. Akhirnya dia pun mantap menjadi seorang muslim, dan semakin mantap lagi sepertinya dia juga lebih memperdalam lagi ajaran Islam. Kita doakan semoga dia menjadi muslim scholar ya, yang bermanfaat bagi umat Islam khususnya di Amerika Serikat. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Berjumpa lagi di video berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.